be thy pathway and light be thy stepping, sweet be the song on thy lips, Kerstine. But lone on the hillside thy lover is straying, and pale is the hue of his cheek, Kerstine. The bird in the woodland, the trout in the river, the deer on the mountain are gay, Kerstine. But he who was brighter lies low in the bracken, to empty his heart of his grief, Kerstine. Gay bloom the flowers by the clear winding Curry, and bonny white clouds in the blue, Kerstine. Beauty of noontide, yet clouded with memories of joys that can never return, Kerstine. Where is the healing for hearts that are wounded? Sunlight and bird lilt are vain, Kerstine. Summer has gone from the veil of my bosom, and winter, cold winter doth reign, Kerstine.